Text. Custom crafted, Album Union Village. Carefree Living. 55 plus active adult apartment homes. The international symbol of access and equal housing opportunity logo appear over an apartment complex with mountains rising behind. Two women sit on a sofa. Text. LONNA Album Union Village resident.
I was looking for an active adult community. I came from a gated adult community that I had lived in all those years. I have all kinds of new friends here and people to talk to all the time. It's very exciting for me.
A tree draped with lights stands in the center of a circle drive at the front of the complex. Text. Jackie, Album Union Village resident.
When I walked in, there were residents already in the clubhouse, and they were having such a great time, and they were very friendly and open, and it was just felt so welcoming. I was sold.
From above, a hot tub sits in a patio near an L-shaped pool. 4 cabanas line the pool. A man sits on the sofa. Text. Michael, Album Union Village resident.
Ran into a gentleman in my previous residence, and he had mentioned Album and all the great things that were going on here, so I thought, wow, that sounds incredible. So he actually made an appointment with Oscar and drove me here personally and met Oscar. We did some tours of some places, you know, looking at the particular floor plans and whatnot and all the amenities, and it was very hard to resist because what they were doing, they just had so many great things going on, so it was perfect for what I was going through.
Water shimmers in the pool. A patio table sits near a grilling station. A woman walks her dog behind a beanbag toss lawn game. A new man sits on the sofa. Text. Joseph, Album Union Village resident.
I was especially interested in their location. Hospital nearby, you have the Galleria Mall for shopping, you have several grocery stores where people can shop.
Sign. Henderson Hospital. A floor and decor sits in a strip mall next to Biggs Furniture. The Sunset Station Casino stands behind smaller buildings. A man and woman sit on the couch. Text. Anthony and Zaida, Album Union Village residents.
I like that it's close to almost everything, you know. There's the Galleria, the bakery, and the market.
And she's a social butterfly.
Excuse me?
So she likes to...
I like to meet people, especially with the new people that comes in.
Residents sit in a theater room. A man walks to the front of the room with a microphone. Another man sings. Residents sing karaoke in the theater room. The first man plays guitar as he sings. Text. Willie, Album Union Village resident.
Clubhouses where we do karaoke. Everybody looks forward to Sunday, you know, karaoke. It's like this. My wife said everybody act like they're going to church and come to karaoke and they're going to church. Yeah, but it's, I just like the place.
A hanging sheet that says, "We're thankful for," has different handwritten messages, including football, swimming pool, Jesus, and being surrounded with love. 2 residents hug. One woman rests a tiara on another woman's head. The second woman wears a birthday sash.
That's what I like about Album. They always have something going on. They always, they have birthdays. They celebrate you for your birthday. They celebrate you when you first come in.
The group of women smile and wave, some in tiaras and sashes. Joseph sings at karaoke.
I also enjoy the karaoke nights that we have, and I get several requests, and that's a lot of fun. And then there's other activities as well. I still go to the driving range and hit golf balls. I go to the pool and swim.
Residents work out in the gym. A woman swims in the pool. Inside an apartment, 3 bar stools sit at a peninsula counter. 2 pendant lights hang above.
I have never seen a place where it's like home, you know, it's like, it gives you it's a comfortable feeling, you know, going and coming, you know, greeting, the way the people greet you, you know.
Blinds cover a bedroom window. A walk-in closet rests beside a bathroom vanity. 3 white terry cloth robes hang up in the closet. Chairs and a cafe table rest on a patio. Text. Greg and Peggy, Album Union Village residents.
Friendly and a very diverse population. There's so many different people that do different things that I know.
Yeah.
And they've done different things all their lives.
Greg and Peggy walk outside. They stroll along the sidewalk outside the complex.
My favorite is the people and the friendliness. And then second, I would say there's something going on every day.
It's a very, very happy place to be.
All of it just added up to one very big positive.
Nice and new, clean, and quiet.
3 men sit around a table in a common area with a woman who throws her hands up and cheers. Residents clink their glasses in a toast. 2 people play shuffleboard. A woman knits a common area. People cheer in the theater room.
Friendly.
Residents sway along during CAREFREE.
And we love it.
It's just a nice place to be.
You know, I was looking for apartments. Instead, I found a home.
Text. Custom crafted, Album Union Village. CAREFREE Living. 55 plus active adult apartment homes. The international symbol of access and equal housing opportunity logo appear.